can see the clickbait already.
I called him yesterday. I told him that I was like, I want to see PewDiePie compliment someone without being incredibly sarcastic, taking it back 5 seconds later, or going, He never does it. He'll be like, this is his compliment. Ready? This is a PewDiePie compliment. So, imagine he just made fun of someone or roasted them for about 2 minutes, right? Okay. And then after, then he'll go, no, but in all seriousness, it's actually, you know, not horrible content, and it's sometimes it's pretty original. Moving on, and that's it. And that's it. You'll never hear. That was a really good video. Next topic. Or like. But I get it, man. Who do you have to compliment when you're number one?
Your Instagram of you and Pokey got 800,000 likes. Is that the most likes on your page? You got 800K likes? What? No, it didn't. Hey, Pokey, we need to get another Snapchat we need to get another picture real quick, okay? All right. Damn right. 800K. Yeah! We gonna farm that shit. People gonna think we're together and shit, but fucking them morons. It's all good. We gonna farm them for them likes though, right? Yeah, you down?
The fuck? Alright, yo, if you see extra sniper laying around, hit me up.
There's probably one over there. I don't know. There's people to the left. They're worth.
How the hell did you just snipe that guy? What the fuck? Did I look at that right?
My whole life has been made for this moment.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah!
Yes, we have YouTube content!
Yes, son.
Wow.
Hi. I'm glad you decided to join me.
The hell?
Now notice, he has the high ground right now, right?
How's that clip looking at, like, brother?
Right, he has the upper advantage. So what I do is, as soon as he puts his ramp above me, watch this.
Hamlin's his best rapper alive.
Watch this. Okay, he has high ground. Guess what I do?
4 months, BB.
Guess what I do, Jay?
Many more to come. You're the
what am I gonna do?
Bah!
Where you going? My high ground now. Ha 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 ha. I put a pyramid through his shit. Then boom. He doesn't know how to react. It's not something he usually expects. Double ramp up. Put a flooring behind me. And that's my high ground back, boy. It's nothing.
Oh my god.
Oh my, that dude just got, got X, the X strike right there.
Then look, he missed his headshot when my girl did this.
Are you serious?
He missed the headshot, I swear to God.
Give him his win. Let's see if he's got his first one. We're gonna look up his name. No! It's like Field of Dreams, don't come in, bro. He waved! He's waving! He waved!
He's a fake one, dude!
He lied, bro. He lied. We can't
He has
believe
a
that,
YouTube
dude.
channel. He has a YouTube channel, bro.
Bye, Tim. Oh, GG. Oh no, Tim. I'm sorry, Tim. Oh, it's Aaron. GG.
Spamming shits. You spamming shits.
Break that shit, bitch. I double doggy dare you, motherfucker! Fuck yeah, double doggy dare you, motherfucker.
Come on, dude. Here. Like this? No, dude. Dude. Alright, there we go. Yep. Just like that. The fuck? I feel like such an asshole.
Oh no. Oh no. Alright, buddy, come here. Come on, I'll give you the win. I'll give you the win, dude. Look, I'll give it to you, man. Come here. Hey. Do you want the win or not? Look, buddy. I'm running out of patience.
Well, I didn't find meds, bro.
Neither did he.
You hate to see it.
You really do. You hate to see that, man. You just hate it.
It was his teammate, bro. It was... Oh my god, I'm laughing.
Let him go through it.
I think there's still people at Tilt It. Oh my god! Somebody get a clip on that shot!
Got a hit on that?
Wait.
Big hit?
Hit a Brady 7.
They're all one shot, dude. Big hit? Wild card activated!
I'm playing like absolute trash right now. I had a couple really good games too. Then all of a sudden, it's trash city. Alright, well, I'll tell you this, I'm not playing as bad as these guys. Definitely not playing as bad as them.